I'm taking non-major modern dance at the Marriott Center for Dance.
In the class, we do a lot of footwork. I'm becoming more connected to them.
I chose to take modern dance because it's helping me become more physically aware of myself, even though I'm not really a dancer.
I really love when reminds us to breathe and makes us put a sound to it, because I think that really puts it in your body super well.
We each help each other. There's lots of communication. We communicate how we feel about each other's movements, and we learn to not only watch ourselves but to be able to watch others around us and to give helpful. And the way that Wen teaches it is incredible, and it's a challenge no matter what level that you're on, whether you've been dancing for 10 years or whether you're just starting.
For the course of the class, I've come to focus a lot on my body and how I'm learning more about it. And through the class, I feel like I have a greater awareness for what I'm doing when I move and how I move.
We have so much fun in this class, joke around a lot. We're still very serious about getting our work done and learning our dance. Also, the movement is so incredibly fascinating, and that also makes it fun too, because it's like a journey or an adventure to see what we're going to learn next.
We do a lot of group exercises and group feedback, which helps just to kind of hear what your peers thinking, to get a different perspective.
My peers, when we do review, I've started to become more aware of the mistakes I'm making and how to fix them.
I really appreciate the diversity within the movement and the challenge all the way coming back down to the fundamentals.
Anybody take a non-major dance class just to learn about your body, because at the end of the day, it's not about the competition in the class and who's the best, but it's about learning about your body and how to better move and how to better feel that movement.
I think everyone should take a non-major modern dance class sometime at the U.